In this video, I'm going to show you how to add freckles on your Bitmoji on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here tap at your Bitmoji. Then tap at your Bitmoji again and here scroll down and tap right there at Edit Avatar. Next, you can drag this toolbar to the left until you find this head with freckles icon. You can tap on that sign, and now you can scroll down until you find that option. As you can see, this face contains freckles, and you can just tap on that to apply them to your Bitmoji. And once you did that, just hit on save. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.